Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable in-app notifications for comments on your saved pins in Pinterest, specifically for PC users. With the recent update, staying connected with your Pinterest community has never been easier. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the left side menu. Next, locate the gear icon. This icon represents the Settings menu. Click on it to proceed. A drop-down will appear. From there, select Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Pinterest experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section on the left sidebar. Clicking on this will bring you to a range of options regarding how you receive updates from Pinterest. Under the Pins You Saved category, find the option labeled Comments. This is crucial because it allows you to manage notifications specifically related to comments made on your saved pins. Click on it to access further settings. Here comes the important part. You need to enable in-app notifications for comments. Simply toggle the option to turn it on. This ensures that whenever someone comments on a pin you've saved, you'll receive an immediate notification right within the app. After enabling this feature, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This step is essential as it confirms your changes and activates the notifications. And there you have it. You are now set up to receive in-app notifications for comments on your saved pins. This update allows you to engage more effectively with your followers and keep track of discussions surrounding your favorite content. Thank you for following along. Enjoy exploring Pinterest with this new feature that keeps you connected with your community. Happy pinning!